أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Your love is all I need, Allah.
Ready?
Yes.
One more feature which the poetry has, that is
Assonance.
what is that? Repeated vowel sounds in a line or lines of poetry. Vowel sounds when they are repeated in one line or
And
in
other
different lines of some verse.
Is God.
So repetition of
Vowel sound.
these vowel sounds is called assonance.
Assonance.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And repetition of the consonant
Consonant.
sounds, the beginning of all the words is called
Alliteration.
alliteration. Repetition of the consonant sounds at the different positions of the words is called
Consonant.
consonants. And repetitions of the vowel sounds in a line or in lines of poetry is called
Assonance.
assonance. And this assonance or this repeated vowel sounds often creates near
Near
rhyme.
rhyme.
I'm sure you know the
Yes,
meaning of near
near.
rhyme, no? And when we say near, there's a difference of long and
Long.
short vowel sound.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Have a look at it, no? Lake, fate, base, fate. All share the long A sound.
sound.
See, lake, fate, base, fate. What's that?
Rhyme.
Vowel sound is the same,
Same.
with the same length. But what's different? The consonant
Consonant
sound.
sound.
So it's a
Assonance.
assonance. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yeah.
shall.
Shall.
See, eva, shall, shall, eva,
Medi-
medicine. So, sound is there.
Yes.
Over here,
E.
e sound is there.
Yes.
What's clear?
Yes.
This is
Assonance.
and refrain. I have already discussed it with some other name. Refrain is what? No, a sound, a word, a phrase, or line repeated regularly in the poem. Repetition. No,
Repetition.
it has some other name which is known as
Refrain.
Thank you.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation of the Holy